In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print from Airtable. If you need a physical copy of your Airtable view, or you want to save it as a printable document, the process is very quick once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, go to Airtable and open the base you want to print. Make sure you're inside the specific base and view that contains the information you want to capture. This part matters because Airtable will print what you currently have open, so it's a good idea to quickly check that you're on the right screen before moving forward. If needed, take a moment to adjust your view so the data appears the way you want it to. Once your base is open, use the keyboard shortcut Control and P. If you're on a Mac, this is typically Command and P instead. This shortcut opens your browser's print options and is the fastest way to get to the print menu from Airtable. After you press it, you should see the print dialog appear on your screen. From there, click on Print. This confirms that you want to move ahead with printing the Airtable page. Depending on your browser or device, you may also see options for choosing a printer, changing paper size, adjusting layout, or saving the page as a PDF instead of sending it directly to a printer. If you're not ready to print on paper yet, saving as a PDF can be a useful option for sharing or reviewing later. Before you finalize everything, it's worth taking a quick look at the print preview. This helps you catch any formatting issues and confirm that the content is appearing the way you expect.